Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to find out if any hidden malware or spyware are running after Windows computer is turned on. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Autorun Angel. And on the first list, you will see its official website. Just click on it. And now you can see your download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next. Now just select the create a desktop shortcut, click on next, click on install. So finally the application has been installed successfully. Now click on finish and wait for a few more seconds. So finally it's starting to scan everything, so have patience until the complete scanning is done. So finally you can see here it's detected one file as a malware, as you can see here. So you can see the location where this file is located, and you can see here it's mentioned it's a malware. So you can just click on yes in order to delete it. So let's click on yes. So finally the scan has been completed. Now you can see the complete details. So some files it is detected as unknown, so you can see the status here being mentioned unknown, and you can see the reports here, everything reports here, complete reports. You can send unknown to analyze if you want to scan again in the cloud base. So by using this application named as Autorun Angel, you can easily find out if any hidden malware or spyware are running after Windows computer is turned on. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.